Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, we are going to talk about Houston tugboat and barge accident attorneys, representing victims of serious barge and tugboat injuries across the US. Crew fatalities aboard towing vessels and barges have long been an industry problem. Before 2000, fatalities from barge accident accounted for up to 20 deaths every year, hitting a peak of 29 deaths in 1997. The overall fatalities rate has slowly descended, but industry-wide statistics will not help injured workers or grieving families. Tugboats allow various goods to be transported to shore. Unfortunately, seamen on a tugboat are especially vulnerable to accident. The nature of a modern tugboat, which combines maximum horsepower, stability, and high fuel capacity, leaves many opportunities for tripping, falling, and serious accidents with tow lines and winches. Some of the most serious accidents occur when crew members transfer between the barge and the tugboat. At a maritime lawyer called Arnold and Itkin, their lawyers have extensive experience with all kinds of barge and tugboat accidents. They know the kinds of serious accidents that arise from human error, insufficient crew training, and inadequate or worn equipment. They know how much is on the line, and they know that only the best Houston injury attorney will do. The next discussion is about common causes of a tugboat accidents. Common causes of a tugboat accidents include when the tugboat collides with the docks, the shore, sandbars, or other obstacles in the water. Other accidents take place as crews make the difficult transition from barge to the dock or back to the tug. In addition, accident may take place due to slippery conditions on deck from bad weather conditions or hydraulic leaks. Some of the most serious injuries on board a tug come from the tow lines and winches. The very strength of these lines and winches is exactly what makes them so dangerous. If they sweep deck, in addition, frayed or weak lines can part, resulting in a dangerous situation when the barge detaches from more than 100 years. Seamen have suffered back injuries from working with these lines. In modern times, there are lightweight, high-strength lines that can protect workers. Unfortunately, many modern maritime companies refuse to pay for them. Another source of a tugboat and barge accident is inadequate staff. When maritime companies do not fully staff their vessels, it can lead to overwork and fatigue, conditions that will cause seamen to make mistakes they wouldn't have otherwise made. Inadequate staff also means the vessels will be undermanned in the case of an emergency, and a seaman will be unable to respond as quickly as possible. The next discussion is about what injuries can result from the barge or tugboat accidents. A tugboat or barge accident can cause serious injuries. Some of these can be fatal. In barge collision, fires and explosions, for example, crew members may experience catastrophic injuries and even drowning, near drowning, or hypothermia if they are thrown or jump from the barge. Other injuries might include severe burns, broken bones, loss of limb, spinal cord injuries, brain injuries, and crush injuries. Because these injuries are so severe, getting the right treatment and fair financial support will make all the difference for an injured worker and his or her family. That is what we fight to accomplish at their maritime lawyer at Arnold and Itkin when they represent victims of barge and tugboat accidents. The next discussion is about what types of barge and tugboat workers do you represent. Our tugboat and barge accident attorneys represent all types of crew members and seamen who work on barges or other maritime vessels. We also help family members of barge and tugboat workers who have lost their lives in explosions, fires, and other accidents. Whether you are doing a dredging operation workers, deckhand, captain, crane barge worker, pilot or other crew member, you can count on our knowledge of maritime law as it applies to your accident. At Arnold and Aitken, they've recovered billions of their clients and have represented crew and family members affected by the worst maritime disaster in history. They are there to help you. And then the next is, what should you do? What should I do if I was injured in a tugboat or barge accident? If you were involved in any type of accident while working on a barge or tugboat, get the medical care you need. You have the right to seek treatment from the doctor of your choosing, so pick the right medical facility and professional. Be sure to inform your employer of what occurred. But do not sign anything that excuses your employer from legal accountability or limits your financial recovery. Talk to an attorney about your rights in filing a Jones Act or other claim that applies to your situation, as this will help cover your medical bills, the cost of ongoing treatment, your lost earning, lost future income, and possibly more. And then, can I sue for a barge or tugboat injury? Like any other maritime worker, barge and tugboat crews are protected under maritime law. There are numerous laws under which you may sue for your employer or vessel's owner, including the Jones Act. Our tugboat and barge incident lawyer are well-known Jones Act litigators. Our familiarity with the law and what it takes to win a case has allowed us to get record-setting verdicts and settlement for our clients. Your claim will depend on a few factors such as the extent of your injuries, where you were injured, and whether or not you are able to return to work eventually. Whatever the circumstances of your injury, it is important that you speak with a Houston barge accident lawyer as soon as possible. We offer free consultation to explain your legal and financial option, so consider calling today. I think that's all the information that I can say to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you need information about maritime topics, you are in the right channel, because in this channel, we talk about it a lot. And guys, if you want us to talk about or discuss about the information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment in the comment section, and later when we have a chance, we will talk about it. And then do the same thing if you have a question. You can also drop your question in the comment section, and later when we have the answer and time, we will answer your question too. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, family, and your loved one. Maybe they need information about maritime topic. For example, maybe they need information about the Jones Act, or maybe they want to know about the maritime lawyer in the region, like this one, for example, in the Houston. Or maybe they want to know about the Death on a High Seas Act, or LHWCA. When you share this video to your family, friends, and your loved one, maybe you help them to get through their problems. I think that's all the information that I can say to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.